Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to fix the story we are unable to handle your request at this time error on Rockstar Games step by step. So let's get straight into it. First things first, you want to disable any VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN, Rockstar may block the request or flag it as suspicious. You want to turn it off completely and try again using your normal internet connection. Next, you want to check and sync your date and time settings. Now, on your computer, you want to go to search and type date and time settings, then open it, and make sure set time automatically is turned on, this one. And then you want to make sure that your time zone is also correct. After that, you want to scroll down and click sync right over here. So go ahead and click sync to fully synchronize your system time. And this step actually is important because incorrect time settings can cause Rockstar login and request errors. Next up, you want to go ahead and log into your Rockstar account. So what you need to do here is simply unlink and relink your Rockstar Games account. So from here, you all you have to do is just click this icon right here. Then you want to click on account, then choose settings. Then wait for, there we go. On this page, you want to click linked accounts. Then basically all you need to do is unlink all of your linked account. Once you unlink the connected account, wait a moment and then link it again. This refreshes the connection and often fixes the error instantly. After doing all of this, you want to restart your browser or launcher and try it again. That's it. These steps usually resolve the unable to handle your request at this time error on Rockstar Games. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.